Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about something really important in programming, the usage of data structures. Understanding how and where data structures are used is essential for efficient programming, whether you are working with databases, algorithms, or even building applications from scratch. Now let's dive in. Data structures serve as the foundation for something called abstract data types or ADTs. An ADT defines the logical form of a data type, while the data structure implements its physical forms. Essentially, the ADT tells us how the data is logically structured, but the data structure is what makes it function in real-world applications. If you're not familiar with ADTs yet, don't worry, I will be making a separate video on this soon. Different types of data structures are suited for different tasks, and sometimes they are even highly specialized for specific applications. For example, relational databases often rely on B-tree indexes to retrieve data efficiently. These B-trees help databases quickly find and organize information, which is crucial when you're working with large datasets. On the other hand, in compiler implementations, hash tables are commonly used to look up identifiers. This makes finding variables and functions fast and efficient during the compilation process. If terms like B-trees or hash tables are new to you, let's simplify it with a basic example. Imagine a contact list. In this case, we could use an array or list to store names and phone numbers. In this simple application, the array serves as the data structure. It allows us to organize and retrieve contact information quickly. So as you can see, choosing the right data structure can make a significant difference in how efficiently a system performs. Understanding the usage of different data structures is a key part of becoming a better programmer. As you explore further, you will see how different data structures are optimized for various scenarios, from managing databases to improving algorithm efficiency. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss the next one. I will be covering more about how these data structures work in practice.